Okay. Something, she's saying okay. Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I'm very persistent on making sure that every week I give you guys a video. I definitely want to stay more consistent. So welcome back. Today I want to talk to you guys about a first impression review on a product that I just received. It is the Cayer BV30 tripod. And I just kind of want to help some people out there that are looking for a tripod, because I know for me, I didn't want to just buy one. I wanted to really like search and research and figure out what was the best tripod for me budget-wise, as well as for everything that I needed. So here I am, and we're gonna get started. So let me give you the history of my previous tripod. It's a Bogan tripod. It's actually for photography. However, I never really invested in a tripod, which is crazy because tripods are very important in production. And I never really invest in a tripod. I would go and buy all this other equipment instead of a tripod. Like I said, it's a photo tripod. It's great for photography. It does vertical and horizontal. But the only thing is, it was always missing a nail to the leg. And I'm gonna show a picture and show you guys my previous tripod. But it was always missing a nail, and so one leg will always come up and down. And even when I'm shooting, if I don't put tape around it, it would just fall. And I was like, I can't use this tripod when I'm shooting, but I still used it for 2 years. And so, you know, presentation is key. And the more I started getting into video and bigger productions with more people involved, I'm like, I need to present better and like have a better tripod, at least a production tripod. So I went researching. It took me about a year because I can't afford a Manfrotto, which of course is what everybody wants to get, but a fluid head for a Manfrotto itself is about $200–300. The great fluid heads are about $500. So I'm like, you know what, I'm still low budget right now on my productions. Let me get one that's within my budget, and that is okay. You do not feel like you need to go and buy a $500 fluid head tripod. Like, don't think you need to. And so for me, I'm like, I need to find something that's still good, still budget friendly, and will do whatever I need it to do. And I found the Cayer BV30. So I looked at the reviews. It was like a lot of reviews. It was almost 5 stars. And so I'm like, you know what? This is it. I recently just did a shoot, so I was able to try it out and tell you guys what my first impression is. Now, I've only had it for about a week. And so the more I play with it, the more I can kind of give you guys an update. But this is just my first impression review of the tripod. So the good thing about the tripod is the build quality on the tripod to me is good. Like, it doesn't feel like a cheap tripod. It was $128, so it wasn't like super expensive, but it wasn't like $50 to $70 either. But I think for the price, it's actually like really good for the price range that it's at. It comes with aluminum legs, so the sturdiness is amazing. So yeah, that's why I say it doesn't feel cheap. And it also comes with stoppers at the bottom to make sure that you're not like sliding or anything like that. And the thing that I like about it is the middle support. It has the middle support on the legs. So if you are putting a little more heavier equipment on it, you won't feel like, oh, this is just gonna fall, because it has the middle support. Another thing I like about it is it does kind of resemble a Manfrotto, and it kind of tries to give you as much as a Manfrotto would. Of course, it's not gonna be as smooth as a $500 fluid head, but for the quality of it, it's actually really smooth. I played with the pan and the tilt, and it's amazing. Like, the way it pans, first of all, it does a 360 pan, so that's pretty cool. And the tilt forward goes 90 degrees and backwards it goes 70 degrees. And it's so smooth, as you can see. I love it. If you're trying to do top shots, it's amazing because the fact that the tilt actually goes 90 degrees forward, so you can actually look straight down if you're trying to do over the head shots. For $128, and for what I was using, it's a big upgrade. Now, the things that it comes with a carrying case, which is dope. We all need carrying cases. Look professional. You want to look professional. And it also comes with an extra quick release plate. So I already had one on top of it, but it also comes with an extra one just in case you lose one. The good thing that I like about it is I also have a monopod. So there are a lot of times where when I'm shooting in small spaces or for weddings or, you know, certain events where you can't bring a big tripod, I love that I can actually take the fluid head off and use it for my monopod. So this is how it looks This is just a Pro Master monopod. It was about $70. But yeah, like I love that I can still use it with my monopod. So I originally had a super cheap head. It wasn't a fluid head at all. I didn't pan, it didn't tilt, it didn't do anything. So it just kept your camera sturdy where it needed to be. But to be able to use this and still have all the controls that I need to get the shots that I need is a plus for me. So the things about it that I do like is the build quality is great. The price, great, $128. That was good enough for me to have a really good fluid head as well as a sturdy tripod that I feel like I'll have for a pretty long time. Everything that it came with the carrying case, the extra plate, the arm as well. So I recommend this to any beginner videographer that needs a tripod, that don't have, you know, $500 or $300 to get a man photo. I do recommend this tripod to you all. I know there are cheaper ones. I haven't tested them. I know YC Imaging was talking about one that was $79, but I think me testing this and see how smooth it is, I think this is like really good for the price. And trust me, y'all, you know, I'm not saying go out and buy it because of me, but I'm just saying from my experience, it's a really good tripod. So let me know if you guys have any questions about it. I will post a link to the actual tripod from Amazon down below, so make sure you check that out if you are interested in it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I get more people watching my videos that aren't subscribed, and I just want you guys to just help me out, you know. So if you do like what I'm doing and you like to see more, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you guys have a tripod, let me know in the comments below, like, what's your favorite tripod, or what are you looking for in a tripod? I just always want to give people affordable equipment, because I feel like it's so many people in the world that feel like you have to have all the highest priced gear and all the new stuff. And I just like to come to you guys and talk to you guys about affordable products and affordable gear, and how you can still create amazing content on a budget. And being on a budget is not even a bad thing. It's actually, to me, a great thing, because if you know how to work on a budget and use what you have and create from that, when you do get a bigger budget, like, you set. So for me, it's not even about, oh my God, I always need to find the cheapest things, but I'm also not rich. I'm also not this huge YouTuber that's making money. So for me, I love being able, especially for beginner videographers, I would never recommend going out and buying like this high priced equipment, because you're a beginner videographer. You trying to learn how to even use your camera. So to go and buy a tripod and try to use it, like, for what? So yeah, for me, I cater to beginners, and I love it. And I cater to intermediate, and I cater to people who just want to continue to learn and just are stuck in a place where they feel like, I gotta have this to be here, but you don't. So I just want to dispel that stigma about, you know, working in videography. And so now I'm rambling, and I think this is good. So if you trust me, trust me. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon.